President Trump is asking the U.S. Supreme Court to block federal courts from halting his administration's passport policy. His executive order requiring passports to list a person's sex based on biology at birth, meaning no self-identification or no third X option, was halted by U.S. District Judge Julia Kobach, a Biden appointee to the court in Massachusetts, who issued an injunction erasing Mr. Trump's policy nationwide. The Biden administration adopted the gender identity-friendly policy in 2021, letting Americans select M, F, or X as their sex identity. The U.S. Solicitor General said passports aren't places for free speech or individual expression, but rather are a form of communication with other governments that falls under a president's foreign policy powers. Quote, "That policy is eminently lawful. The Constitution does not prohibit the government from defining sex in terms of an individual's biological classification." The U.S. District Judge ruled that the restriction amounted to unlawful discrimination on the basis of sex, citing a 2020 Supreme Court case that found employment discrimination against transgender people is illegal. The First U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals backed the lower court's ruling. The lower court had ruled the passport policy does indeed impose a special disadvantage on the plaintiffs due to their sex, and the court therefore concludes that it discriminates on the basis of sex. That doesn't automatically make it unconstitutional, but she said the government must have good justifications for such discrimination for it to survive a court's scrutiny. For the Washington Times, I'm Alex Sawyer. To follow all developments from the court, you can go to WashingtonTimes.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.